Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make transparent shampoo. A shampoo which is transparent in color. Before wasting any time, let's get started. Transparent shampoo. Ingredients. Take two stainless steel vessel name as part A and part B. Part A contains SLES 400 ml, cocoa dye 16 ml, cocoa mono 16 gram, glycerine 30 ml, cocoa bitin 50 ml. Part B contains MPSO 1 gram, EDTA 1 gram. Procedure: add part A with 200 ml SLES in vessel and add part B in another vessel. Put both the vessels in double boiler. Stir slowly. Once everything melts properly, see the temperature. It should be 70 degrees Celsius. Take out the vessels from double boiler. Add B to A and stir gently for some time. Cool it for 12 hours. Add remaining 200 ml SLES in part A. Check the pH balance and add color and fragrance. You can add color and fragrance 0.5 gram to 1 gram. You have to check the pH and then you have to add the color and fragrance. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and press the bell notification to get the update of new videos. See you in the next video.